I converted my two bikes to electric with 48 volt 1000 watt hub motor kits. And just because the motor says 48 volts doesn't mean it has to be exactly 48 volts. These motors and their controllers typically let you go as low as 40 and as high as 60 actual volts. These e-bike kits cost as low as $150 on eBay, which is very cheap. However, these kits don't come with the battery pack, which can be very expensive. So I wanted to give you a quick look at all my battery packs. And here they are. Most of the packs I'm using are 14 series packs that fully charge to about 58 volts. And they are fully compatible to my motors. The first battery pack I ever bought is a generic lithium iron phosphate 48 volt 15 amp hour battery that charges to 58 volts. It cost less than $300 from eBay and included the charger. As you can see, it's fairly large and at 18 pounds, very heavy. I put it on the rear rack, which makes the center of gravity high up. I didn't use it much, but it worked and the range was very good. I was probably getting 20 miles on it. Lithium iron phosphate technology is supposed to be much safer compared to normal 18650 lithium ion batteries, but it's hard to trust an unbranded battery. I didn't maintain the battery, such as not charging it or storing it outdoors for long periods of time, so the capacity is about half of what it was when it was new. My second pack is the Mighty Mini, a 52 volt 6 amp hour battery from Luna Cycle. It's a 14S 2P battery pack that charges to 58.8 volts. I like that it's small and lightweight and fits on the small triangle of my full suspension bike. Again, I didn't take care of this battery because I stored it outdoors and didn't maintain the charge. However, I'm still disappointed with this battery because after 3 years and 300 miles, it now only charges to 56 volts and has a reduced range and performance. I'm lucky to get 4 to 5 mile range from it when I should be getting 7 to 10. This battery was also very expensive at $300 and another $80 for the charger. Shipping was $50. My third battery pack are these Echo 58 volt 4 amp hour batteries for Echo lawn and garden tools. At the time, they were only $120 each at Home Depot. I bought the charger on eBay for $50. Although these batteries are capable of running by themselves, I always run both of them in parallel as to give me more range and to put much less stress on the batteries. I also standardized to XT90 connectors by building custom adapters for them. Fortunately, the battery management system is built into the battery pack. That means I can use the Luna Cycle's smart charger to charge up the packs in parallel while on the bike, which is way more convenient to use and carry than the Echo charger. I typically get over 10 miles range on both of them. I really like these batteries because they are compact, lightweight, powerful, and relatively cheap. And my recent discovery on eBay are these discontinued Poulan Pro 58 volt 5.2 amp hour packs for only $50 each. I bought the charger on eBay for $20. They are genuine OEM batteries for Poulan Pro garden tools like lawnmowers. They are made by Husqvarna of Sweden. Husqvarna also makes Snapper, Johnsard, and McCollough. Apparently, they are discontinuing the 58-volt line of tools, so you can find them at fire sale prices. I also made adapters for them so I can use XT90 connectors. And, like the Echo batteries, I also run them in parallel, and I can use the Luna-Cycle charger to charge them. These are my favorites because they were super cheap. And of course, they have good capacity, high quality, and safe. The main negative is that they are big, which make it more difficult to fit on the bike. But for 1/6 the price of my original Luna-Cycle battery, I made it work. And there you have it, my e-bike battery collection.